Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Si step by step. I will write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. Si. To take charge of. To manage. For example, 上司 boss. Here is a sentence. Your boss and I will take responsibility for all your actions. 我和你们的上司将对你们的所有行动负责。Your boss and I will take responsibility for all your actions. Your boss and I will take responsibility for all your actions. 我和你们的上司和你们的上司将对你们的所有行动负责。我和你们的上司 Your boss and I 我和你们的上司将对你们的所有行动负责。Your boss and I will take responsibility for all your actions. 我和你们的上司将对你们的所有行动负责。Si in cursive. Si, to take charge of, to manage. 上司 boss. Your boss and I will take responsibility for all your actions. 我和你们的上司将对你们的所有行动负责。Si. Please comment any words or sentence with the character Si. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.